Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be teaching you Fancy by Twice. Their very new song. It's very catchy and JYP is doing a great job with their artist. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So this will be the explanation video of this tutorial. If you guys want the music section where we go slow and then full speed, go ahead and click up here. But if not, I'll teach you step by step right here. And random note, I was going to wear like all black again, but then I was like, I think I've already worn black so many times, so I tried to go a little bit lighter. This is what they wore later on in the music video, kind of that same color scheme a little bit, so here we are. No, I'm not sure if any of you guys cared, but don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Guns, here we go again. We got two fingers out, thumb up, and we're going to place our right arm on our, it's kind of like the crevice, kind of like the crack of our arm, and we're going to kind of turn to the left. Now, as we lean our head to the left, we're going to bend down as well. So just a little bend in the knees, turn to the left. And then next, we're going to do Fancy You. So first, we're going to, with the arm movement, hand movement, I should say, we're going to cover our face, palms facing me, and then move out, palms facing out. So we come and we're going to use, it's like a little jump almost, but we're going to take this, bring our right leg and extend it out, and then we're going to come Fancy You. Okay, so when we finish, our palms should be facing to the audience. Okay, so again, we come here, now Fancy You. From here, we're going to jump back on to our right foot. I'm sorry. We're going to jump onto our right foot. And then when we jump, we're going to open our hands, both hands, palms out, like so, okay? So here, and then we're going to jump with, and basically get back into a shoulder width apart stance. And from here, we're going to come 1, 2, 3. So again, we come 1, 2, 3. I'm moving my circles from right to left, so counterclockwise, but we're gonna go up in elevation as well. So let's just start from the top. We're gonna have our gun, lean to the left, and then we're gonna come Fancy You and jump, and 1, 2, 3. And when we do this, we lift our left foot. Wow, I can't speak today. So as we do this, we're gonna lift our left leg up. So 1, 2, 3. Notice how my body kind of like swirls with it too. It's got that upper body movement and that leg movement too. So again, come 1. So once we finish here, we're going to step, bring our left foot in front, and then we're gonna be like, hey, I love you. So step with your left, kind of do a little hit, and then we go, and then they switch positions, but we're gonna walk in place. But I'm going to hit my left hand up, we go, I love you. So once we come 1, 2, 3, and our leg kicks up, we're gonna step with our left foot, and then we're gonna be like, hey, with our left hand, and then we come, I love you, okay? So again, from here, we step with our left, we come, hey, and then they change positions, so we kind of just step in place, and then we go, I love you. And I'm just gonna lift my right arm up. So let's start from the beginning, so then I'll move on. So let's start from the beginning and then I'll move on. So come gun, left, and Fancy You. Now kick back, and 1, 2, 3, and step. Now, I love you. Oh, from here we're gonna, the lyrics are love ya. So what we're gonna do is love ya. 1, 2. So left shoulder down, left shoulder up, left shoulder down. And then we're gonna have our hands up, love ya. Our body kind of turns to the right as well. So we come, love ya. So once we do the love ya, we're gonna step out. Well, not step out, but we're gonna kind of like jump out, and then we're gonna point, and then have right cross over our left here. So once we point, we're going to bring your feet together, and then we're going to, for the arm movement, we're gonna come peace sign, palms out, palms in, then palms out. But it's like a 1 and 1, 2. But for beats wise, it's gonna be 1 and 2 and. So with the whole thing, we're gonna point and then we come up, 2 and. So, but my body kind of like has that little beat rhythm to it as well. So we're gonna go here, but pa. It's a really quick 2 and. Once we finish the piece and piece, we're gonna point with our right arm and then we're going to bring our left hand to our chest. Now this is fun. It's like crab cake, okay? Wait, what is it? Crab leg? I don't know what it is. Open, close. Oh, Charlie Brown. You know Charlie Brown? Okay, kind of like that. We're going to do that 3 times, but we're gonna lean to the left, lean to the right, and lean to the left. And then once we come 1, 2, 3, we're going to step with our right foot first, and we kind of do, bring our hands together, the prayer hands become right, left, and then we bring our hands across our chest, and then we go, I need you, okay? And then we walk again. So they change positions, I'm just walking in place. Alrighty, let's put that very little ending piece together. So again, where did we end? Oh, with the point. Okay, so we come here, we said love, yeah, point, and then we come peace and peace, point. Now, crab and left, and then from here we step right and together and step 2, 3, 4. So that is part 1 of the course. If you guys need more time with each certain steps, feel free to go back, but I will do a full review of part 1 and then move on to part 2. Part 1 review, point, go to the left here, and fancy you. Now kick back, and 1, 2, 3, and step, and I love you. Shoulder, shoulder, point, peace, and peace, point, and crab. 2, 3, right, left, together, and walk. 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was part 1, so let's move on to part 2. So part 2 is where we saw in the teaser. So from here, we're going to step, well, kind of not step, it's more like a jump a little, but a slight. So we kick our left leg up, okay? And then we're going to rotate our right arm counterclockwise, and then we're going to step in with our left. So we switch positions, right? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the 4th beat, we'll jump up. So we jump on our right, and then come left foot, and then we go fancy. And my hands were doing the love. Their 3rd and 4th is gonna be down. And then we go left, right, left, right. It's just a lot of rocky motions of the hip, okay? Okay, so if you guys are counters, then you're gonna do this 6 times, the hip movement 6 times. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Now, on the 4th one, we're going to start moving our hands. And by the 6th beat, it should be on the right side. So again, we come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, notice how my body kind of opened up. Now, the next beat, we're gonna come to the right, lean, face to the right. We're gonna roll up. So what my hands are doing is they're going outside to inside to hit. So roll, hit. So let's put that together. We come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll, hit. Now, so after that, everyone does a different thing, but I'm gonna do Jo-Young's part. So she steps, once we come 1, 2, she steps with her left and pushes stuff out, okay? So if she steps with her left, we're gonna go with left. So left, right, and then we're gonna lean to our weight on our left leg, and we're gonna go 1, 2, clap. So once we've done the 1, 2, 3, then we're going to take our left foot and we're going to do 2 taps. Notice as you saw my hands flick, we're gonna go flick, flick. So I'm gonna flick from right to left, we go 2 times, 1, 2, and then we turn clockwise, and now I'm facing to the left, and then now my right foot taps, but I flick left, right with my hands, okay? So, all together, let's start with the jump. We come, jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll up, left, right, 1, 2, 3, and flick, once we flick the second time, we're gonna step out again with the fancy again, okay? So same thing, 1, 2, 3, but the fourth, this time they're walking, so you can do that too. They change positions. I like to follow what they do. So again, we come 1, 2, 3, now 4, 5, 6. So I walk towards the right, and this time we're gonna roll in, right? Same thing, we're gonna roll in, but instead of roll flick, I'm gonna go roll here and have my 2 hands in a fist, okay? So let's start with this the second time. We come 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and from here, we're gonna kind of turn to the center, and then we're gonna go right. So right foot first, right hand first. Left leg comes up, okay? Come up in 2. Now we're going to make it like, it crosses down here at a lower level, so we're crossing our hands, and then we're going to open up our hands again so they act like plates here, and then we tap our shoulders and lean forward. And then they go fancy. Woo! You can kind of make up your own move at the end, but this is what Cheon does. Woo! She has like different poses for each of the fancies, so you choose whatever you'd like. Okay, so that was the end of part 2. So I'll review part 2. If you need more time, feel free to go back, but once I finish reviewing part 2, I'll do a full review. Alrighty, part 2 review. Let's go. Let's start with the jump. We come jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll, flick. Part 2 review. Let's start from the jump. We come jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll, flick, left, right, clap, 2, 3, and flick, Now 1, 2, 3, walk, 2, 3, roll, hit, 1, 2, cross and shoulder, and here, fancy, woo. Alrighty, full review, point with the gun, left, now fancy, and kick back, and 1, 2, 3, and step left, now I love you, and shoulder, and point, piece, and piece, point, now crab, 2, 3, and right, together, hit, 1, 2, 3, kick, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll, flick, left, right, clap, 2, 3, and flick, Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, roll, hit, right, left, cross and shoulder, and fancy, whoop. Thank you guys so much for learning this with me. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully, I'll see you guys in the music section. The link is in the description box below or probably on the side. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already, and make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. I hope to see you in the music section, but if not, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!